Hey, y'all, check out these crimpers that I just received from the brand to try out. Now, this is really high quality. I've already tested it, and I want to show you what it all comes with before I kind of show you how I've tested it. But it does also come with wire clippers right here, and it comes with a whole bunch of different crimping attachments. So this is comes in 6 different gauges, but 10 packets of it. It also comes with these sleeves, which are compatible with kind of like a hot air gun, so that you can make a good seal with your crimp and your existing wiring. Now, I did test it on this pencil earlier. I don't have any spare copper wire fitting these gauges quite right now, but it crimped very easily. As you can see here, I just simply attached it to the vise and then crimped it. And you do have to make sure you get the right measurement for your crimpers first. So if you take a look here, you'll see these numbers printed here. This is for a 25 gauge, and that's exactly what this is. You can take a look at this. You can see a 25 there. So you just have to match the top numbers to the actual sizing of the attachment that you choose. Now, if you're used to actual gauge sizes versus the millimeters, which is what this is a millimeters squared, and so this 25 is the equivalent of a 4 gauge wire here. So you can use this as kind of a comparison, or you can take a look at it on the back, because it's also printed on the back so that you can easily remember gauge versus millimeters here. And so just keep that in mind, that you are going to have to do some conversion from the imperial system to the metric system if you're not used to that. Now, as far as the sleeves, this was very simple. You just, there's different sizes. I think there's 3 different sizes here. You just attach it onto your wiring, and then you use like a hot air gun to just kind of blow on it, and it will attach itself right onto it. So it's nice and seamless. Overall, this is going to be really handy when I need to change out the wires for my battery, because it is starting to corrode a little bit. And so this would be a good opportunity to use it at that point. But I hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.